Currently resting after rearranging the house this much. I think that lamp is good. I love days like this.
They love playing with each other.
He just got spayed today, so she is just so sad. Charlie, on the other hand, what are you doing? Good morning. It's the morning after. Look at this beautiful mess.
Wow, you got me J's?
Do you like it? Happy birthday! Oh!
Very cool.
We're on our way to take a picture on the land that is going to be ours.
At the house that's gonna be built.
Where's our house?
It's imaginary.
Where?
It's only on paper right now.
Hi, Charlie. Are you a happy boy?
Yeah, you are. Yay, let's go.
Everyone a chance to take. You can see it if you close your eyes. We already know the way. Forever you and me, running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go.
I'm going to give you a quick tour of the house. This is the living room. Okay. This is the beautiful kitchen. La, 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 la. Dining room. Look at, and then you have to turn around and look at this beautiful ceiling. Okay? And then in here, which you probably can't even see, it's too dark. And then we have 3 bedrooms in this house. So we have 2 bedrooms right here. One right here. Guest bathroom. And then this bedroom. Oh, I love the light in here. Okay, time to go to the master bedroom. Okay. Here it is. Our master. She's so cute. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. But you know what that means? That means this thing isn't gonna get damaged because of the dog. Okay, and then the bathroom, obviously. Oh, the floor is my favorite. That light, and then the closet. Closet right here. No. That was my tour. Let's go! This is gonna be your house.
Yeah, that is nice. Do you want to hold them real quick?
What good timing, because they are literally dropping off the appliances as we were leaving. It's perfection. The dogs are in our bedroom right now. Dun.